All right, next we're going to take a look at the interior of the LMTV. It's pretty sparse in here, but it's got some cool features that you're not going to find on just any truck on the road today. So while this Caterpillar diesel engine is mechanical, the Allison transmission is electronic. We've got CTIS as well as air brakes on this vehicle as well. And of course, no military vehicle will be complete without the M16 rifle holders for driver and passenger, and of course, a turret with third center seating for easy access. The interior in here needs a lot of work, and we're gonna get busy. First thing we're gonna do is address the sound issue. This thing is like a tin can, so lots of dynamite everywhere being applied in this vehicle to really get the sound and vibration down and make it a lot more manageable. After that, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the upholstery. We've got a lot to do on this project, so be sure to stay tuned. There's lots more coming.